You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, former president of the Soviet Union, a Russian name. If you want to learn more Russian pronunciation, stay tuned for more videos for you. In Russian, it's pronounced Mikhail Gorbachev. So, Mikhail Gorbachev. I know it looks like Gorbachev, but no, Gorbachev. Mikhail Gorbachev. Therefore, in English, you can say it as Mikhail Gorbachev. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.